Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a video on how not to get hacked on MSP. I will be sharing with you some tips and tricks on how to keep your account safe from hackers. I hope this does help some of you guys. Do not use easy passwords such as MSP123, LOL123, ABC123. You'd be surprised how commonly these are used on MSP. If you make an account and then think I'll change it later, don't do it. Pick something that's less easy to guess. If people know your name, do not use your name in your password. People are guilty of this everywhere, not just on MSP, where they'll just make their password their name followed by 123. Adults do this, so if your password is something like that, I do suggest you change it to something that's harder to guess. Do not use your MSP password anywhere else. Don't have the same password on your email address. Even if you have other accounts on MSP, have different passwords for everything. It is a lot safer. That way, if somebody gets into one account, they can't get into everything. I seriously messed up in a video where I accidentally revealed my password. This was the same password I used in my emails, Instagram, my Snapchat, my main account, my rare account, and every account I had on every server. Thankfully, the person who got a hold of my password let me know before anybody else figured it out. I took the video down before anybody else realised. I changed the passwords on everything, so now everything's got different passwords. Can you imagine if that person had done something to my account? Like, they had access to my emails, so even if I tried to reset it, they could just log into my emails and stop me getting my account back. All my email receipts are in there from buying VIP. It would have been a really big struggle to actually prove to MSP that this was my account. Guys, learn from my mistake. If your passwords are the same, I do suggest you change them. That way if somebody gets into one account, they can't get into all of them. MSP passwords need to contain numbers. Don't make them numbers easy, something like 123, 999, 098, 789, whatever. Don't use consecutive numbers. Make them something random. Maybe the numbers mean something to you, but make sure they don't mean something to anybody else or are easy to guess. Do not put your username in your password. Like, there are actually people out there that have their whole username in there with 123. Like, to say my password is RotiKhaaseUK. Never, and I mean never, put your username into your password. Make sure your password is something completely different, something completely random and hard to guess. This tip is for YouTubers. This is how I accidentally revealed my password. So I was making accounts on every single server and I was being lazy because I couldn't be bothered to keep typing my password in. I had it copied and pasted and I accidentally pasted it in the username box rather than the password box, so it got revealed on video. Now I knew I did this, but the intention was to edit it out, but I completely forgot to edit it out and then it went online and that's how somebody saw my password. No, I'm not the only one that does this. There's loads of people that copy and paste their passwords, especially if they've got long ones. You need to be super careful, especially when you're recording. I suggest if you're recording, don't even copy your password, just type it in. It's a lot safer. And if you guys use sticky notes like me, I have a separate sticky note with all my accounts and passwords on there, obviously because I use different passwords for everything and it's easier for me to remember. Make sure when you're recording that sticky note is closed, saved and closed and out of your recording area, because you don't want to accidentally have it pop up in your video. Don't give anybody your password, either on MSP or real life. Even real life friends can hack your account if you guys play MSP together and you won't even know. Online, moderators don't need your password, so if there's a moderator claiming they are a moderator and they're asking for your password, they're lying. Moderators won't need your password. They already have all this information on their system. Don't give your password to anybody offering you free VIP. They don't need your password to give you VIP. If they're legit, they can send you a gift code or they can send you a VIP ticket. 99% of the people who say I need your password to get you VIP are scammers. Please don't fall for it and keep your account safe. Believe it or not, there are people that go around on MSP saying, oh my god, hackers are coming, you need to change your password to so and so to not get hacked. You would be surprised how many young kids fall for this because they're scared of being hacked and they're scared of MSP hackers. Never listen to people that say stuff like that. If you want to change your password, change it to something you have thought of yourself, not something somebody else has said. Don't reveal the password to anybody. Okay guys, I have seen this so many times myself. There are so many websites out there that promise you free VIP straight to your account. They ask for your username, they ask you for your password, and promise VIP will magically appear on your account. It is a scam. Guys, do you know how easy it is for anybody to make a website? They own the website. Any information you put within that website, your username, your password, will get sent straight to them, and within minutes you could be hacked. I have come across so many websites like that myself. I promise you, you will not get free VIP from them. But if you still want to go ahead and test it, I suggest you make a new account and put in the password and username for that if they ask for it. One account that you're not obviously afraid of losing, but never do it on your main. Last but not least, I learnt this trick from a friend of mine. He used to play MSP but he doesn't play anymore. His username was the Oglog. Yeah, I'm gonna type it in the video so you guys can see what I mean. He's obviously deleted his account and he's quit now, but he gave me this trick that I use for most of my passwords. Get yourself a dictionary, open it up on a random page, choose the random most complicated word from that page that you can spell, and add a few random numbers to it, and there's your new password. The best thing is, because it's so random and probably a word that you don't hear every day, people will figure it out, especially because it doesn't mean anything to you. Even people close to you can hack you, like just say I use my little niece's name in a password. Anybody who I've spoken to about my niece can guess that, if that makes sense. So it's the randomest things that don't mean anything to you at all that will make the safest password, if that makes sense. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I feel like I should make a video like that to help you guys stay safe on MSP, because a lot of people, especially myself, used to do these and you don't understand how much of an easy position you are to get hacked. So I hope this helped, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.